What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on Street Truck 2.0. I'm going to do the Street Speed 717 exhaust modification. We're going to see how it sounds. So yeah, Street Speed 717, little backstory. He's a big YouTuber. He does a wide variety of different automotive vlog stuff. He's gone everywhere from beat up old Chevrolet pickup to C7 Corvette and McLaren, so on and so forth. I've been watching Street Speed for quite some time, and he seems like a pretty decent guy. So today we're going to do the Street Speed 717 exhaust modification to the Street Truck 2.0, and we're going to see how it works, how it sounds. Little update, I got the Holley EFI installed. It's working beautifully. Still working on a little bit of the tuning things, you know, getting that taken care of. Sorry for the sun in your eyes. So I got that all going. I'll make a video on that with a little couple pieces of what I did for the installation, so on and so forth. But it was pretty easy. It really was only 4 wires to hook up, run the fuel system. Old truck, so I had to drop the gas tank, do a couple of things to there to make it work good, so it'd pull fuel. Essentially the little filter sock thing on the bottom of the pickup tube in the gas tank was dirty, I guess you would say. So I had to take it out. I put a new sending unit, stuff like that. I got videos on that. I'll make a video on that later. But anyhow, enough about that. Let's get to the Street Speed 717 exhaust modification on my 1979 GMC Street Truck 2.0. More modifications to come. Anyhow, we're going to get started. Okay. Street Speed 717 exhaust modification. First tool you need. A Sawzall. DeWalt. Works pretty good. So, to perform this modification, you need to take your Sawzall and position it on the pipe and start cutting. Well, there you have it, the Street Speed 717 exhaust modification. Now, let's see how she sounds. Well, that don't sound too bad at all for straight pipes. Yep. Okay, that completes the Street Speed 717 exhaust modification. Appreciate the inspiration there, Mr. Street Speed. Yeah, it's fun. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not leaving it that way. I got these super tan flowmasters that they were on my 70 Chevelle, and I'm going to cut them off right there after the bend, right here, about like that one there. But I will definitely give you a final sound clip. Well, YouTube, it's kind of dark outside. I got the flowmasters installed. We'll let you get a sound clip of what it sounds like now. Not too bad for the Street Speed 717 exhaust modification. Alrighty then. Well, anyway, that's going to do it for this video. If you like my attitude, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to ring the bell. You'll get notifications when I upload videos about that truck, my other truck, or any other projects I've got going on. Thank you for watching. Have fun.